So I got my C2 palette from Ulta. I did swatches of the stuff I wanted to show last week. I finally I did swatches of that. And look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's a more neutral palette, but I still love it. Also wanted to show you that when I went to Sally's, I got this, and it supposedly helps your hair to look silver, and I opened it up thinking it's silver inside, some sort of metallic, and it's just a lavender color, which I could, and this was $10, I could just get a $1 conditioner, spend $10 on a purple purple paint, hair paint, and mine has lasted me for a while already. I'm maybe last me for another bottle of conditioner. But anyway, let's see how that works. And Lipsmackers, they've been coming out with eyeshadow palettes. I was gonna get them, but I said nah. And then they showed one for Easter. So then they showed for Easter they were gonna have eyeshadows in an egg, smaller palette, but they didn't say where to buy it. It's not on their website. I was at Walgreens and I found it there. They had the 2 shadows. They had 2 lip palettes, but I got the one I knew I was going to use more. It smells good too. They had 2 different highlighting palettes, and I wanted the purple one, which was the unicorn, and they didn't have any more. But I grabbed this strawberry one, the llama, which, if you know, now llamas are the new unicorns. So I got that from Walgreens. I think they were having a buy 2 get 1 sale going on. And you know, I like my Milani eyeshadow glitter liquids, and they came out with a pink collection, a blue collection, and a peach collection. These are the eye glitters. I had to get those. So yeah, it comes with highlighters and lip glosses, and I ordered some more, so I will be showing that when my order comes in for that. Got this with my gas reimbursement card, and then the rest I got at Ulta, all at Ulta with, you know, PayPal, buy $100 worth and get a you know, pay for about 6 months. So that's what I did with that.